people. Happy Monday. I don't even know how to put this on here. On Monday, I have the bulk of my meetings and appointments that I actually have to physically be at. So it's gonna be a different kind of day. I'm gonna make this coffee, then head to my meetings and such. Hello, beautiful darling. And then I'll vlog when I get home and we can work out and chat and all that good fun stuff. I saw a few of my girls went to pick up the Nespresso peppermint pinwheel yesterday. She's everything. My favorite Christmas mug is not clean, so we're gonna use the Starbucks. This is from like 4 years ago, probably. Let's see what Nespresso capsule we've already tried today. Today's the 7th, I believe. Double espresso Scuro. Never had that. So I'll put this in my capsule holder. This is how my hair turned out. It is a little too curly for me, so I'm thinking next time I need to curl it less. I did apply my Design Essentials Overnight Recovery Treatment, whatever that's called. I'll put a picture in the screen. I did apply that last night. Feeling lovely. Normally on Mondays, I would go have my meetings and then, what is that? It's not a nipple. Normally on Mondays when I was doing the weekly vlogs, I would take you guys with me, but I can't have bitchin' sauce because I can't have tortilla chips. I can't have Chipotle unless it's a salad. So I'll just leave you guys here and I'll catch up when I get home later this afternoon. But it's gonna be a great day. Thank you all for your sweet, amazing comments from the last video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I know that my Vlogmas is a bit different than most. I'm not, you know, meeting up with people, going to holiday parties. I'm not going shopping, out to eat, but this is my life. And especially because of COVID, yeah, I'll probably see one friend this whole Vlogmas and that's it. Y'all already know I get sick if I don't get enough sleep, so I can't afford to just be out gallivanting. I know it's not the most interesting per se, but it's also real life and not gonna apologize for my life. It is what it is. And I feel like a lot of people like myself live this type of life. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy my peppermint pinwheel coffee. If you are a peppermint lover and you have an espresso machine, I would highly recommend it. This coffee is everything. Very, very minty, which I enjoy. So I'm gonna drink this, take my baby out, and then get to my meetings. I will see you guys later this afternoon. Bye.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even see it.
Just got home, guys. Hi, I missed you too. I know I missed you. I missed you. I know. Mommy has stuff to do. Ooh, who's that? Who's that? Yes. Mommy has to, oh, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm, okay. Chloe says she has to get down and see who that was. Go see. Hi guys, I am back. 1 second, I need some hydration on my face. No, I mean, I have some upstairs. I don't know if it's that kind. Clear notification.
Delete all your notifications, right?
Yes. But I just put the Aqua Bomb by Belief on my skin. It was so dry. I am so sick of wearing a mask. Not to the point where I'm not gonna wear one, but it is, my skin is just so dry, and then it's cold outside. Anyway, so I'm home from my meetings and appointments. I think I'm going to just do a workout outside. I'm gonna go for a walk for 30 minutes And then I'll come in, I want to do the dishes, do some cleaning, and then we can decorate. One of my friends last night was putting up her tree. I watched my girl, Truly Simply Kiara, decorate her tree today, and I am feeling in the spirit. I decided not to put up a big Christmas tree like the one we usually put up just because I don't feel like taking it down. That's why one year, like 3 years ago, my tree was up 365 because I didn't want to take it down. So yeah, I'm not gonna go buy a tabletop tree. I'm just gonna decorate maybe 2 corners of our island and put like our nutcracker up and decorate the keeping room. What? Yeah. It's gonna be beautiful. I'll put ornaments in a bowl. I'm gonna do a scaled down version of an island Christmas experience. So you guys will do that with me. I'm gonna go work out though. Hi, baby. It was so weird having my I'm loving you guys' secret comment from yesterday's vlog. By the time you guys are watching this, the giveaway is already over. So interesting because I was thinking, wow, I didn't do a holiday giveaway this year, but the giveaway I did yesterday was the perfect giveaway to do, and I'm so thankful you guys are enjoying it. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna decorate my island, and that's just gonna be that. And that's just that on that. It was so weird not going to Chipotle today, because I usually go to Chipotle after my meetings, but I've really been doing well on my no carbs thing. Like a few days ago, everybody in my family had pizza. Last night, what did you get last night? Oh no, I was just thinking about getting a burger on Uber Eats, but I decided against it. Like, I am so proud of myself for not caving and giving in to my cravings because my stomach is fat girl flat. And if you don't know what that means, that's when you are fat, because clearly I am not skinny, but like, you're not bloated and your stomach isn't huge. I mean, your stomach is still fat, but it's like fat girl flat. If you know, you know. I don't really know how to describe it, but I love that feeling when I'm on plan, eating well, working out, not snacking. Like, I don't snack. So when I go to the grocery store, what you guys see me buy is what I eat. I eat lunch, dinner. For breakfast, I eat, you can walk. So yeah, like, I'm loving this space where I'm in right now, and I'm not gonna mess it up. So yeah. I'm gonna go, oh, you can grab the head. You're not gonna be in it. Let's work out for me. Do. Oh, my candle warmer came. I'm gonna insert a clip of that. Did that make you excited? Yeah, my candle warmer came, so I need to go check on her. Perfect timing, because since Candle Day and I didn't get to shop, I've honestly been having some FOMO because everybody shopped Candle Day but me. And now I'm thinking I need to go buy Bath & Body Works because I want more candles. So I've been burning my marshmallow fireside for like 2 days, and it's like a 4th left. So I'm really happy that I got my candle warmer because that will slow the burning process. So I'll insert a clip of that. Yes, I'm going to go play with my dog for a little bit because she gets depressed when I'm not home, even though she has other people to sit with, and she probably got a massage while I was gone. She's obsessed. She did get a massage. Okay. I'll see you guys when we're working out. Working out. Bye. Here, y'all, it's cold outside. It's like 40 something degrees, but I can't not work out. Ooh, this hoodie smells like gentle fluidity golds. Anyway, workout, 30-minute workout, you guys. Get fit, be healthy. If you want it, let's get it. You have to work for it. Even if you don't work out today, you can still get up tomorrow and do the same. Keep trying. If I can do it, then anyone can, okay? In the cold. Hopefully I will not get sick. Let go. Alexa, play Toni Braxton's Christmas album.
Shuffling Christmas songs by Toni Braxton on Amazon Music.
So I put on my gloves to do the dishes, but he did the dishes for me. So I'm gonna wash some pots and some glasses. Then we can decorate this island. I hope you guys enjoyed my little concert. Toni and Tamar are some of my favorite singers, and I loved both of their Christmas albums. First of all, that was a workout. Say hello to Mr. Nutty. Every year, my family is really into traditions because we love family. So I wanted to share with you guys some of my most special ornaments and my babies. Every year as a child, my mother would get her children each a new ornament. And I know that might not seem like a huge deal, but it's very sentimental. So I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite ornaments. Like I said, I'm not gonna decorate my tree this year. I just don't feel like the hoopla. So I brought up some of my favorite ornaments and I'm gonna share them with you guys today. My phone died. I think I was getting ready to show you guys. It's okay. Some of my most special ornaments from childhood. This is from 2000. So if you don't know, I used to be a ballerina. I took ballet from the time I was like 4 to maybe like 13 or 14. So I got these ballet these point shoes in the year 2000. So like I said, stuff like this is just really sentimental to me, and I just really appreciate my mother for doing things like that with me, because you're gonna see that I now do it with my baby. So another ornament that is most special to me is this Barbie shoe tree, and I want to say this was for Barbie's 45th anniversary. This was in 2004. And I think, yep, the layers of this tree spin. And this is just really special to me because I loved Barbies as a child. I also love shoes. I've loved shoes since I was a child. So this is another one of those ornaments that meant a lot to me. When I was growing up, we never had fancy Christmas trees. Well, I think we had one year, but usually they were just really sentimental ornaments, and those are the things that are most special to me. This is another ornament that's special. We probably have about 10 of these. If you don't know, I am part Japanese, so we have these little Japanese people. I didn't bring up too many of my favorite and most special ornaments just because I didn't want to have to dig, but those are the 3 that I did want to share. Now, for Chloe Monster, let's get to her ornaments. So this is her ornament from 2017. And if you've been watching every Vlogmas, you would have seen these. So like I said, just like my mother got each of us a new Christmas ornament every year, I do that for my baby because I know she's a dog. But if you have met Chloe Monster, she's a human, okay? And just because she's a dog doesn't mean she's any less important in my whole family's life, actually. She has turned people in my family into dog lovers. One day when Chloe is dead and gone, because yes, it will happen, I will have amazing memories from each Christmas. So this is something fun that I like to do. So this was Chloe's ornament from probably 2018. It's a Shih Tzu in a stocking. So this one is a Shih Tzu hanging from a banner with a Christmas tree. You guys know I purchased another Shih Tzu ornament for this year, but it hasn't arrived. And this is from 2016, Chloe's first Christmas. This was supposed to be an ornament. It was like an ornament kit for dogs, but I made it too thick and I couldn't pierce it. So this kind of just has a stand, and that is Chloe's footprint. So, well, I guess paw print. Yeah, like I said, these are very sentimental to me, and I love the fact that I can trace back in time and I have all these memories of Little Clo Monster. So those are a few of our favorite ornaments I just wanted to share. This is our nutcracker. We probably purchased this many, many moons ago. Let's see if he's functioning. Yes, he is. So I'm gonna put this on my island. Then I have this little basket with red and green flowers and leaves and poinsettias probably. We have this black Santa that goes in front of a fireplace, or you could really put it anywhere. He's kind of broken, but I just love this because when I was little, they didn't have a lot of black Santas. So he's broken, but I'm still gonna put him up. This is what that looks like. And then the last things, here is one, and here is the other. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these. I might put these in the keeping room just because we spend a lot of time in there, but these are really fun and festive. Lastly, I have some red ornaments that I'm going to put in an ornament bowl. So let's get started. You know what this means. It's treat time for baby. Today is day 7. Do you know where the 7 is? No? Okay, it's okay. Let's see. It's a star. Milk and cookies challenge. Set some milk and cookies on the floor. If your dog doesn't eat them, they're the goodest elf. She definitely would. If your dog waits 10 seconds, they're a nice chunky reindeer. She would never let them last that long. And if your dog eats them immediately, they're one naughty dog, but also a real go-getter. Well, that's my baby. Here's your star. Beautiful little star. It smells so good. She did it. So guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. We finally have a decorated house. Well, the kitchen. Well, the island. Oh. Well, the island and part of the keeping room. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Hope today was a little more festive in terms of Christmassy things than the other days. I love you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, Muffin. No? Okay, Chloe says bye.